we have a slow leak in the tire. I don't know if it's the stem. I don't know if it's the seat, so we'll take it apart. So let's air it up and see where the leak is. See the stem first. Put a little soapy solution on it. Do around the bead. Not seeing anything obvious on the front. Try the rear. Well, the rear is definitely making bubbles. Okay, so we'll break the bead and put some sealer on it. Okay, we got the bead broke. It's actually not very rusty in there, so it's probably a little piece of dirt or corrosion over the years. It's just a quick fix. Just want the tire to stop going down as it's in my yard. We'll see if that does it. Okay, let's check for leaks. Here's the soapy solution. Which in my case is water and Dawn dish detergent. The bubbles were pretty instant the last round, so I think we got it. Now time to throw the wheel back on the car. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.